And you do other gummies besides hemp,
Oh yeah.
CBD.
Yeah,
you
we
do candy gummies,
candy
vitamin gummies.
vitamin gummies, anything that makes the body feel good. How about that?
We're all about it.
All about it.
So here we are again with
Hello.
Jeanette in Jeanette's office, talking about gummies. Hey, tell our viewers how you first started, because you started in weed, didn't you?
Yeah, I came, well, how did I start in this industry? I'm actually a medical doctor, and after working in family practice for a while, my husband came up here for the marijuana boom that happened in Oregon. So he's the one that brought me up here. And that year I took a sabbatical to get my license in Oregon, but I so happened to start helping him, and I fell in love with this industry. At first I was just a helper, but I'm pretty good in science, so I became sort of like his right-hand woman grower. So I started with growing, and then eventually I really liked propagation, clones, seeds, and then I moved to the hemp industry, doing clones and seeds. For a while I did that. It was a great industry. It was fun. Seeing little plants, little clones have roots and become big moms and becoming plants and making people happy. It was very fulfilling, but then the industry kind of, weaned off, and someone asked me, hey, you're really good at making assembly lines, because I had a huge propagation facility, and he said, hey, are you willing to make gummies for me? It was literally just an idea, a conversation. I started tinkering and playing literally in the same facility of my clones, in a small space. And we started with one client, and now we've given away all propagation, no clones, no seeds, and all we do here is gummies. I started in the hemp industry. With my medical background, I definitely love nutrition and health. So now we have a couple clients that also, they combine hemp with, different nutraceuticals. We also do just nutraceuticals, or like functional mushrooms. We work with lion's mane, ashwagandha, antioxidants, a bunch of cool stuff. We also have a couple clients that just want candy gummies. Yeah, in Juno, we pretty much make anything that makes the body feel good. And that's kind of like my whole idea. Now I want to do some drinks, and that's my new venture. Also doing manufacturing, hopefully for other clients, and also maybe a brand for myself.
Well, you have your own brand, don't you?
Yes, we have a brand now. It's called Happy Vibes, where we put all the hemp gummies. And we also have a new brand, which is Glitch Energy. And that's going to be, it's just going to be energy drinks, and eventually I'll add some cool gummies there for like energy, and maybe some fiber gummies or things that are more on the health side of things. I want to separate it. Sadly, this country sometimes doesn't understand that CBD is a wellness product. So you get banned for social media and stuff like that.